What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to my channel, Money Moves with Kay. I am Kay, and today we're going to talk about 5 Facebook groups that you can find free mobile homes that other investors overlook, right? Speaking of free, make sure you check out my free newsletter for deals under $10,000. I will pin it in the comments, and I will also place it in the description, okay? You don't want to miss that. Sign up. It's free, free, free. Let's get started. All right, so what I wanted to do is first show you that receiving a free mobile home is not dead in 2025 and beyond, okay? So this is an ad on Facebook Marketplace that I saw that has an ad that says basically they will pay you $500 to move the mobile home. They're gonna pay you in order to move it, okay? Now we know there's an expense with moving a mobile home. I'll get to that in just a second, which it will vary depending on where you're located. However, I do wanna go over 5 groups, like I said before, that will provide you with a free mobile home. Possibly you have to really search for it, but there are deals out there where it is free 99 as well. The first group I want to discuss with you is mobile home movers nationwide. Now, before we even get started, I have to say this, that each and every group has group rules and regulations. So you have to abide by those rules and regulations. That's number 1. Number 2, make sure you do your own due diligence with the groups that I discussed. These are just examples. I wanted to show you visually what to expect when you're looking for some of these groups, okay? So you have to do your due diligence to ensure that these groups are legit, they're right for you, and it's a good fit for what you're trying to do. But as my example stands, Mobile Home Movers Nationwide is a platform that has 19,000 members. And the reason why I'm identifying mobile home movers as a way in which you can find free mobile homes is that they have a direct contact, a direct line with homeowners and park managers, okay? So this is how it works. Typically, a homeowner, just like the ad you saw earlier, will say, hey, I'm trying to clear my land, and I have an abandoned mobile home in the back. I don't want this mobile home back there anymore. I need it gone. In fact, I'll give it away for free if somebody moves it. So what they do is they may contact the mobile home movers and say, hey, I have a free mobile home. If you know anybody that's interested, let me know, okay? And that's where you come in, because you can place your name on that list of investors that are willing and ready and able to pay for the mobile home fees to move it, okay? Now, let's talk about fees for a second. They do vary. I've had people in my comment section in the past videos I've done say, Kay, how much does it cost to move a mobile home? That is subjective. Depending on your location, depending on how far the mobile home is being moved, depending on if it's a single wide or the type of mobile home, single wide, double wide, etc. Many other factors are included into that. But let's just say it's a loose approximation of $3,000 to $7,000 to move a single wide trailer or mobile home. Now you may say that's either worth it or it's not. Depends. If you are a contractor, you know how to fix up these mobile homes, then it may actually be worth it for you to move it a mile or 2 or even 30 miles away from you in order to have a mobile home that is for free. You're just paying for the moving costs. So keep that in mind as well. You will have to pay for moving costs. Plus, mobile home movers have direct access, like I said earlier, to park managers. And those park managers say, hey, we have a free mobile home. We do not want to demolish the mobile home because it may cost us to do so. So we're calling you to let you know if you know anybody that's interested to receive this mobile home for free, let us know, okay? And that's where you come in as the investor, because you will be let know in my most correct English, okay? You will be alerted or communicated with in order to tell you, hey, there's a mobile home that's free. Are you interested? So mobile home movers are very, very vital in this process, okay? They have the first-hand knowledge of a lot of this information. The second group I want you to look into is mobile home park residence groups. Now, with this one, you may have to be a little bit more specific, because if you live in Alabama, as an example, and you know of at least 5 or 10 mobile homes in the area, and you know the exact names of those mobile homes, you want to look for that mobile home, and then behind it, click or search park residence. So in this case, this is Jordan Mobile Home Park Residence. I don't know where Jordan Mobile Home is. This is random, okay? So Jordan Mobile Home Park Residence, they have a Facebook group in which they are pretty much discussing what is going on inside the mobile home park. There may be complaints. This person is talking about the water. Anything that's going on in the mobile home park, they know about it because they are actual residents of that park, and they will tell you about it. They may complain and say, hey, there's been an abandoned mobile home, or 2 or 3 or 4 abandoned mobile homes, and who's going to do something about this, right? So this is just a platform where you can go as an investor, of course, abiding by the Facebook rules. You're going to go as an investor and say, hey, could you tell me a little bit more about that mobile home that's abandoned? What is the address? How long has it been abandoned? X, Y, Z. And potentially even give them a referral fee for anything that pops up in the future. Okay, you have to think outside of the box and really try to get a good deal, okay? Next on the list, landlord and tenant legal advice groups. Okay, this is one, just as a suggestion. A lot of folks on here do list things anonymously. However, this is a possibility for you as well. So a lot of landlords and tenants may have mobile homes as well, and they are fed up, and they will discuss how fed up they are in these forums, in these groups. So that is a way that you can kind of get more information and insight on where they're located and more information. But again, like I said, a lot of folks here do list information anonymously. However, tired landlords are always key. They're creme de la creme because they do not want to be bothered anymore. Maybe somebody complains on here that they had a tenant that ruined and wrecked their mobile home, and now they just are done with it. They're willing and ready to get rid of it for a minimum price or for free. Just depends, but this is another avenue for you to find some cheap or free mobile homes. Okay, so keep that in mind. But first, you have to follow the rules and regulations of each and every group. I will continue to say that because you have to do your due diligence. And again, make sure that group is the right group for you. The number four group on the list would be land clearing groups. Okay, this just happens to be land clearing network that has 28,000 members. But of course, you can search any land clearing group. And I would honestly suggest that you search it near you. So if you're in South Carolina, land clearing groups, or land clearing in South Carolina, and go from there. Okay. So why is this vital to finding free mobile homes? I'll tell you. The reason why it's vital is because now you are in direct access with, again, homeowners that are willing and ready to clear their land. Now, most folks, as you can see with that first ad that I had up, most folks give a mobile home away for free because it is in the way. They are ready to clear their land. They are ready to build potentially. So they may be doing some construction on their land, and they do not want this old, potentially raggedy mobile home on their land anymore. And they are willing and ready to get rid of it. So if you can contact these folks who clear land, that's another way. They may say, hey, I just cleared 50 acres or 10 acres or 2 acres, and I have a mobile home, and I'll either sell it to you or give it to you for free. All you have to do is pay for the moving cost of that mobile home. So similar situation as a mobile home mover, but this is another avenue with land clearing folks, owners. So that's another good one, guys. Number 5 on the list is, we're going to kind of go straight to the point here and say mobile homes for free or cheap. That's the name of the group. All right. So they have about approximately 8,000 members. And again, you have to do your due diligence on the group to ensure that it's a good group. My point with mentioning this group is that this is the more obvious choice, right? It literally just says mobile homes for free or cheap. Okay. So it gets you in the mind frame of sometimes things are not just hidden, right? And that's why I didn't put hidden in my title. Sometimes they're in plain sight. They're right in your face. And this one is right in your face. It lists exactly what we're looking for. So here it is. Now, make sure you follow the rules and regulations of each and every group, like I said earlier, and make sure you do your due diligence on the mobile home, because sometimes it is junk and you don't want to say, oh, it's free, I'll take it, without looking at everything that applies to the mobile home to see if can it even be moved without it crumbling apart. Not crumbling apart, but some mobile homes can't be moved, okay? Because they are maybe too old, or maybe it's unrepairable for you, and it may just be too costly for you. So it might not be a good deal to get a free mobile home. So you have to do quite a bit of work on your end to ensure that you are getting a good deal, of course. And like I always say, make sure you do your due diligence, okay? And if you made it this far in the video, make sure in the comment section, put mobile home. No, I don't want you to put that. I want you to put Facebook. Write the word Facebook. It allows me to know you made it this far in the video, and I truly do appreciate it. Thank you so very much, guys. I don't take where I am for granted, meaning I have over 140,000 subscribers right now. I remember when I didn't have 100,000, okay? So each and every time I gain subscribers to the channel, I just truly do appreciate it, and I wanted to take time to acknowledge you. I appreciate you. Until next time, guys, you stay blessed. Peace.